Today we're going to take a quick spin of the 2024 Mazda 3 2.5S Hatchback Carbon Edition. We're going to explore all the fantastic features that make this car truly exceptional. First and foremost, let's talk about the exclusive Carbon Edition package. It's not just a name, it's a commitment to performance and style. The striking polymetal gray exterior is beautifully complemented by gloss black accents, giving this Mazda 3 a distinct head-turning presence on the road. Now let's talk about performance. The 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine delivers an exhilarating driving experience, combining power and efficiency seamlessly. With 186 horsepower, you'll feel the thrill every time you hit the accelerator. Let's step inside and experience the world of luxury and comfort that the Carbon Edition offers. The cabin is meticulously designed with premium materials and a driver-centric layout. The leather-trimmed sport seats not only provide excellent support, but they also add a touch of elegance to the interior. With heated seats, you'll stay comfortable in any weather. It's not just about looks. The 2024 Mazda 3 Carbon Edition is packed with cutting-edge technology. Safety is a top priority for Mazda, and the 2024 Mazda 3 Carbon Edition is equipped with an array of advanced safety features. From adaptive cruise control to blind spot monitoring, this car is designed to keep you and your passengers protected. The 8.8-inch infotainment display is intuitive and easy to use, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and smartphone integration features. Now that we've checked out all of these features, I'll leave you here to check out a test drive of this vehicle. In conclusion, the 2024 Mazda 3 2.5 S Hatchback Carbon Edition is a testament to Mazda's dedication to style, performance, and safety. With its exclusive Carbon Edition package, it offers a unique and captivating driving experience. Thank you for joining us today. We invite you to come and experience the 2024 Mazda 3 Carbon Edition for yourself. Visit Berge Mazda and let this exceptional car speak for itself.